you on a macro level how it works and what all can your team, without logging into QuickBooks or anything, they can do most of the stuff. So this is our workforce man. Actually, like ATS and everything, I have these 3 modules. Going to the workforce, again, once you set up with us, you will have a company configuration where you upload your company, the logo and name, so that whoever logs in will be seeing only your branding. And then you can add a common login to your website. So they don't have to come to raves.com, rather they will go to your company website and log in from there. Let's start with a contract. Initially, you can, if you're supplying to a client and then you're supplying to taking an employee from Supplier, this will cover all the 4 steps. Assuming that I have already a company created and MSA already created, we usually show what is the MSA percentage and everything. And then I'm doing work order. You can give any project code or anything, like if you're implementation partner like Infosys or HCL, they have GRN or they call some other codes which you can put it. And work order type, fixed or hourly. This calendar will help at the timesheet loading itself. If that is a holiday, it will prompt them saying that did you really work on the holidays. And I'm picking one resource position tag. I'm giving hybrid, but you can give anything like, and you can also set who is the internal supervisor for immigration purposes and all the stuff. And then timesheet frequency, weekly I'm taking, so that I can generate one invoice also for you. First cycle we have to enter, and then we support auto approve. Auto approve is for the fixed work orders where you don't have to really check the hours, but and your salary is also fixed where the hours doesn't matter. Then I would not spend more time in checking the hours. Those are the scenarios where your internal or top level management, all those guys can also be tracked. And client approval is external client. You can actually send from here directly to the external client. And validate is the employee will upload the timesheet and then submit their client timesheets, those as a attachment. So you have ability to add any charge codes based on your Jira or your regular time, overtime, whatever is defined by your work order. You can add multiple codes and you can configure the rate, whatever. So I've set up MSA and I've set up work order. So I'm selecting another from there pre-configured SMS, creating a purchase order. Purchase order 7/28/26. Okay, we usually preload what is the related work order over there, and then all you have to do is here payment terms to them. Like if you are getting 30 days, you can give it as 45 days to your supplier, or you could give a 2% discount and fast forward and give it to your. And then you have the charge codes, which is we have given $100. Now I'm giving $75 for this supplier. Finish. Now everything is created. Go to timesheets, add timesheet. I'm showing everything from the tenant, from our company users, how the supplier and employee also sees their screens. So there will be only one cycle for the timesheet. Even if there are any corrections or anything, how we do is, usually this is our client layer and all the top layer, and this is the resource assigned, and this is the supplier layer. So one timesheet will have automatically generate the invoice, and anytime, like if there is a short payment, we correct the timesheet. But if the payment is already there, gone, then we give a credit or debit adjustments. So that next payroll or pay cycle, you can make those entries rather than relying like the accounting system is not talking to timesheet, or timesheet is not talking to your payroll, then you can get this
Yes.
manual entry, right? So we cannot keep a track of it. But this timesheet single entity will make sure everything is connected to one record. So now I'm entering 40 hours, upload a client timesheet. We prefill the hours, and then they can see the notes, they can see the client timesheet and finish. Okay, once timesheet is submitted, our company admins get the notification, and as soon as this is submitted, so they get a notification, edit and approve, edit any corrections are there, and then update and then approve it. So once this is approved, our billing system create invoice. Every work order, active work order, will have one instance of invoice, and it will show whether it is ready or incomplete or in progress. Incomplete means they would have not entered the timesheet. In progress means they would have entered the timesheet, but they are not approved from our end. Only when everything is approved, then you will get the invoices. Basically, two things we are achieving, and we are making sure contract is maintained, and timesheet is your driving force for every downstream entries. All these timesheets have not been entered. This timesheet is entered, so it is ready. So accounting team will not miss an invoice. So in here, every contract will be until you end it, it is there, generated automatically, and it will show the status. So now here we have all the invoice and your tab, like on a daily price, and the actual timesheet record also. You can send all these as an invoice. Every invoice sent will be in the invoice history, and also email sent will be recorded in our system. The supplier can log in, and he can generate invoice bill from his end. Now if I go here 7/28/26, so this is a supplier who will be, means every operation we can do from the administration side, but employee will be loading employee side, and supplier will be loading supplier side. Here is a $75 and VMSPs and your net bill. You will see all the company information and everything, and you can set up the settings like daily ones. We automatically send whatever invoices or bills directly to QuickBooks, and manually also you can set it up. So invoice, if I search for it, and if I do receive payment date of today's date, I'm putting reference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, amount received $500. So 500 I'm record and close. So now if you see here in our system also, you will see that there was a payment made on 500, and these all will be updated nightly basis. You have option to sync now. Sync payment to QuickBooks. It is synced. This gives a life cycle of payments and the invoice automatically sending. And we have LCA, public access file. Apart from that, you have general reports. You can assign any task to collect any documents, and you can set any document templates like I9, W4, or I'm just giving an example here. Employee handbook. I'm just taking an example of handbook. HR document, signing order, sequential or parallel you can put, and next. So in here you can actually give employee name, signature, Even if you want any external parties, you can give the same thing. And signature. Save. This is now saved. Assuming that that is a workable document. Now I'm gonna add employee handbook sign, and I'm just sharing my email, and I'm gonna give your email ID here as an external person, so that you will. Okay. This is our document. So these are the two recipients, one signed and another pending. You can resend invite also, and it will show activity history and documents and the current status. I have signed, so it has come. Once you sign, it will show it as finished, and envelope. Audit for any completed document. You can see signing certificate also, everything. And for company admin, you will see the document under all timesheet document or anything within our company, contracts documents or employee documents. You can have a one single location where you can see all the documents. And you can upload your company documents like W4, W9, or your void check or insurance certificate, and you can share these to any other outside world when they request. And everything you can set up, notification configuration, invoice communication, who has to get, work order, document change, system communication, contract, anything it will change. Show you one other part where if you have direct clients and you want to change for them 7/28/26. I'm just putting a for external clients. We need this information. Now I'm changing this to client approval. So now I add a timesheet, add, every change whatever we do, you get a notification from what was the old value. And then even if you see, let's go for the same contract, work order. Now invoice is already generated up to 6/7. You can change the rates after 6/7. I'm changing this rate after 6/7 to $125. $125. Your account managers can say like 6/10. Notification saying old value was this, new value is this, so that there is an audit history. And if you see here in the history, who changed what also is maintained for our audit purposes. So this is how they will get, the client will get an alert, and he has to just click on this approve now. This will open directly. Notes, his attachment, if there are anything like for them, if they are doing any work like Jira or Excel sheet, whatever they have, the tasks they can upload. And once this is approved, I'm just approving here. We go back to our system and see, you can see that this is timesheet approved, and we will also capture what timestamp it is there. And now I go back to accounting, create invoice, sync now. These are all automatic process, but I'm doing for manual because nightly job. These are all nightly jobs. The expectation is from 6:10, it should be 125 hours. 7/28/26. This is the invoice. Yeah, it also automatically computes VMSPs and everything. And if you go here, you get every day price. This one I'm sending you as a sample. Generate and email. Yeah. So this completes, but any questions here? It's a complete workflow management end to end. Also, we have.
Okay.
Then you generate payroll, including whatever setup like your worker. You set up your pay profile. Then system level, you can do pay type hourly or salary, or means if it is an LCA pay, like you can put it as $60,000. I'm just taking an arbitrary number, and then you can put that one, and the allowances you can give, or you can skip, or if there are any medical insurance, you can deduction type is fixed. All this you can amount 250 per pay cycle, something like that. You can, if you have a goal amount, you can specify like only 5,000 per annum. You can charge the employee, something like that. You can create. So these all configurations will be taken into your payroll, and so you will get all the data preloaded, every detail. But you can adjust, and then once you generate, we will give you the downloadable format files for ADP or Paychecks or QuickBooks Payroll.
From this we can download and then upload there and then run.